Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I'm going to talk to you about QuarsiTube. Now, this is due to be released by Kenny Tan on April the 3rd at 10 AM Eastern. Now, QuarsiTube is basically an application that allows you to upload videos to YouTube. So we're going to go through the members area. I'll show you around. I'll show you exactly what all of the different functionality does. And then we'll come back to the sales page. I'll just show you a couple of things on the sales page, and then we'll go through the all-important OTOs. So guys, if you haven't been over to the channel before, my name is Richard Darby, and this is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new content. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, this is promising you that you're going to drive unlimited leads and traffic to any offer in less than 2 minutes. You make up to $497.65 every day. Very oddly specific number that. And you're going to be able to generate free traffic. You grab the share of YouTube's 2.3 billion monthly visitors. Everything's automated. It's life-changing. No video creation required. 100% legal, 100% beginner friendly, and 100% risk free. So let's jump straight into the software. And basically what you've got here is a software that connects to YouTube. So you've got a Google Apps settings there. You need to connect it to Google Apps, so it allows you to import your channels. You can import your YouTube channel here. Then you have a videos archive here, because it does say in the demo, and it also is obvious that you do need to produce videos to get traffic from YouTube. So just completely obvious, guys. The only other way of doing it is by commenting on other people's videos, and that doesn't really work that well. It really doesn't. You need to produce your own videos in your own channel. These guys need to learn how to spell. That's obviously a spelling issue there, but basically they've got two ways. You can either download their own videos, which you're going to have to then use on your own video editor to add to them to make them unique and then upload to YouTube, or you can make your own video, and they basically say that in the demo. So having said that, on the sales page that you don't have to make your own videos is nonsense. You have a channel manager here. This is where you can manage your channel. Now, I've got 7,600 subscribers on my channel. If you comment, I will comment straight back to you, or as soon as I see that comment, because I'm a human and I talk to people like humans. On these guys seem to think that people are so busy that you have to set up automated comments and campaigns to people who comment on your channel. If you start commenting automatically to people and they realize that, you're not going to get many subscribers. You need to actually treat people like normal human beings and comment to them. Nobody gets that many subscribers. You just cannot possibly comment back to everybody. So these kind of tools to me are completely pointless. You've got a like and comment application there, subscription campaign come here, so you can basically go on here and automatically subscribe to various types of channels. Again, you don't even know what those channels are. You're just telling the system to do it for you. You've got a template manager here talking about these auto reply comments, and you can auto comment on certain people's channels. All of this will be wiped off as soon as they realize this auto commenting. YouTube will deal with that itself. You have a keyword finder here. This keyword finder allows you to paste a video in here and it'll search for the keywords. So let's just try this with one of mine. And it does do that. It searches for the keywords on that particular video, and you can download them and use them as your tags. But basically, guys, you just need to go into YouTube and look at other people's videos, and all the tags will be on their videos anyway on the right hand side. You can have completely free applications that will allow you to do that. vidIQ, just go to a site called vidIQ and then attach that to your channel, and then this will allow you to see all of the different types of keywords, and there's various other applications that allow you to do that directly onto YouTube itself. So you don't really need an extra piece of software to do that. Again, auto reply template here. You've got a search engine here. You can search videos, channels, playlists. Again, come over to YouTube, you can do the same. There's a search bar at the top here, so I'm not really sure why you need that as well. Then you have this rank tracking here. Again, not really sure why you would need a video rank tracker. A link wheel, and then done for you landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages. Now, if you want any of these very, very high quality, you can use two applications. One is called Systeme. I'll leave a link to Systeme below, or GetResponse. Again, I'll leave a link to GetResponse below. Both of those applications allow you to build free landing pages and thank you pages and pretty much do everything that they're doing here. So to me, there's no real need to buy this at all. It's just been repeated over and over. It's not the world's first. They're saying it's the world's first automated YouTube traffic app. It's not. This has been done plenty of times, and using automation on YouTube is against its terms and conditions, and it's not a great way to build a channel. If you want to build a channel, just go ahead and build your channel. Everything this does is inside YouTube. You can search for keywords within YouTube itself, and also another functionality that this had around scheduling videos, which they point out in the demo is a really cool thing. You can actually schedule a video in YouTube. So again, not really needed. So I don't think this is any use. And when I come back to the sales page, I look down at some of the testimonials to look at people who are actually using this to make money. And I just came across these two said testimonials. Take a look at what a selection of those beta testers had to say about QuarsiTube. And there's two beta testers here. Al Cheeseman is actually a product creator. He's not a beta tester at all. And then I just had a quick look under my plagiarism checker, and I had a look at where these appeared. And there's a product called QuarsiHub, which is one of their last products. And you'll see that the same people, successful digital marketers, love QuarsiHub, and it's exactly the same testimonials that they put on here. So they're lying about their testimonials. Nobody's making money with this. It's just another cash grab. And basically, guys, I would keep away from this. I don't like vendors who decide that they're going to lie to you about the testimonials they've got, because clearly they're trying to be dishonest. So guys, I will put these in the description below, but the front end is $17. OTO 1 QuarsiTube Unlimited is $47 down to $37. The second number is always the downsell. OTO 2's QuarsiTube Automation, $67 down to $47. OTO 3 QuarsiTube Done For You, $197 down to $97. OTO 4 QuarsiTube Reseller, $67 down to $47. OTO 5 QuarsiTube Steal Our Website Traffic, $97 down to $67. And OTO 6 Quarsi Done For You Traffic is $397. Don't purchase any of these OTOs, all a complete waste of money. And guys, if you really want to specifically set up a business with YouTube, you can check out the Simple Traffic Blueprint. I will leave a link to that below, which actually specifically shows you how to set up a real business on YouTube, which is the exact method I used when I first started off. Hope you found it useful, guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is the Squirrel Nomads. Until next time, take care.